My dealings with Mannok on this project, I suppose, started from design stage. This is a 3-house development, small development in an exclusive area in Blackrock, County Louth. The houses are A-rated, built in a brownstone type design, which is a New York type design. Balconies out the back, 3-storey living, and we use the Sims system of construction on it. The Sims system is basically the Mannok system, which is the aircrete block on the outside, with insulation directly fixed and an acrylic render on the outside. Once we had planning in place, we got in touch with Mannok and asked them how much of the project they could actually supply. We knew straight away, okay, we can use the lightweight blocks, we have floor and wall insulation that we can use, precast slabs, precast stairs, to roof insulation, roof tiles, and that was what they could supply us with on this project. So from an early stage, we sat down, did our quantities, worked with Mannok on that to see what was the quantities required. We got into the design of the precast units, the structural strength that was required. Mannok were good help on the walls for the structural strength for the precast units, the actual spans and thickness of structural precast slabs themselves, right through to speccing the insulation so we could achieve our U values on the house. Once we had all that confirmed and approved by the architect, it was simply an order of agreeing the prices, which we found Mannok was as reasonable as anybody, and worked with our quantities then just on an ordering basis through our own supplier, which is Dundalk Sims.
I find working with Mannok very good. Their delivery service is excellent, their pricing structure is very, very good, and we just work very well with them. We're actually delighted to be part of the project here with Owen Cochrane here in Blackrock in County Louth.
Sims by Mannok is a modern method of masonry construction. It combines the benefits of Mannok's aircrete thermal block with a certified external insulation system. They're an autoclaved aerated concrete block available in a range of strengths. They are suitable for use in all ground conditions, including levels of high saturation with freezing, so there's no issue with durability. Any aircrete thermal block with a density over and above 400 kgs per cubic metre is suitable for those ground conditions, so they are fully certified for below DPC and any areas where they're exposed to the elements, and they are the best performing thermal block available on the market in Ireland today. One of the key benefits is the thermal benefit. We're using a Mannok aircrete thermal block, so the structure of the building is actually built using an insulation type product, and then we're effectively wrapping the outside of the structure with external insulation. There's no limit on the thickness of insulation that can be used, so in terms of U value, it's really how low do you want to go. With typically 170 ml of grey polystyrene gets you a U value of 0.15. You can go lower than that if you wish. And the other benefit then of wrapping a structure with external insulation is that it overcomes your thermal bridges. All your junctions are effectively wrapped on the outside, which deals with heat loss through thermal bridging at that junction. So thermal performance is one of the key benefits of Sims by Mannok.
From a builder's perspective, the greatest benefits is the speed of construction. It's really quick getting the walls up to a certain level. I've used it on several projects before. I asked our architects, McGahan Architects in Dundalk, to incorporate it into the building, because with all the building regulations now, you have fire control, you have soundproofing, thermal conductivity, so it meets all of the criteria on all of those things. Structural properties are much better than standard block construction. Thermal properties are superb.
Typically, when compared to masonry construction, it's 50 to 60% faster to build. Because of the size of the blocks, you are building the blocks twice as quick. And also there's no requirement for wall ties, DPCs around windows and doors. You're not relying on the block layer to fit your insulation. So again, that speeds the whole process up so that your developer then can get the roof on, get the windows in, and start the inside trades. And the external insulation system can be fitted down on the outside as weather permits. Some of the other key benefits then, fire performance. A 9-inch Mannok aircrete block gets 4 hours fire rating compared that to the inner leaf of a cavity wall, which is 2 hours, which is still quite good, but typically timber frame and light steel frame constructions, you're getting about half an hour. So again, a big benefit is their performance there. So the new owners of these homes here are going to enjoy a lot of benefits of this particular form of construction. Obviously, from a thermal point of view, they have achieved very low U values in this project, and that together with reduced thermal bridging, the running costs of these homes is going to be very low. It's a fabric-forced approach whereby reduce the demand for heat, and then the requirement for heat is also reduced. So low running costs is one of the key benefits they're going to enjoy.
We like to keep up to date as much as possible with the latest forms of types of construction and the most modern types of construction that we use. We work closely with our architects and engineers in that regard, and with our suppliers, the likes of Mannok. The Sim system by Mannok, it's really quick and easy to work with.